I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and joining a game or launching studio so the settings are active. Once inside, press ESC and go straight to Settings. This is where Graphics Mode and Full Screen Live. Make sure your monitor is already set to the target resolution in your OS, because Roblox reads that for full screen. From here, you'll change window state and graphics quality. These first actions let you control how the client scales and renders pixels. Next, toggle full screen to force Roblox to use the monitor's native resolution. Once done, the client will match display pixels. If you prefer a specific look, switch graphics quality to manual and slide to a precise value. This changes internal rendering resolution and performance. If you need windowed mode, resize the window manually or enable borderless window to emulate full screen. Make sure to use even scaling factors so UI elements stay sharp. These steps balance clarity versus frame rate. Finish by applying settings and testing gameplay. You'll notice sharper or smoother output depending on your choices. If things look off, restart Roblox so resolution and rendering initialize cleanly, and use Roblox Studio's device emulator to preview other sizes. Make sure your GPU drivers are current. If you see stutter, black screen, or UI scaling issues, lower graphics quality or switch full screen modes. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling between borderless and exclusive full screen often resolves scaling conflicts immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.